All right, back with another really quick video here today. What we're going to be doing is we're just going to be adding in a logout button. So if you remember, we're going to open up, we'll get our app up and running. We've got our app here. Let's let it load. There it is. And we are logging in from using our local storage, but we have no way of actually signing out. So that's what we're going to add right now. It's going to be pretty simple. First, let's just take our logout, our login button. We're going to add a new component and we're just going to call it logout TSX. Let's take all the components here and we are going to have a Google logout method. And what we're also going to use is we are going to want to use, we have a button. Let's use a UI button here. And it will be a button that says button, and we are going to have an on click. So it's going to look something like this. Let's just copy this over. We're not going to have a type. It's not going to do anything like that special. We're just going to have it say logout. And the on click is going to call Google. So Google logout. But actually what we're going to do a little bit differently is we're also going to, we could do it this way, but we're not going to see that we're actually logged out, right? So we do this, and if you notice, we think we're logged out. We're not actually logged out. We can still test. And why is that? And that's because we still have these credentials in our local storage, and we're still technically logged in. We haven't actually done anything yet. So let's delete this guy. And what we're gonna actually do is when we log out, what we really want to do. In fact, like, what is this even doing if we still have this in our local storage? What we actually want to do is we want to take in our auth context and we want to add in a new item, and that is going to be called logout. So what does logout actually do? We are going to pass in a new function called logout, and logout is going to remove our local storage item, the token, and it's also going to set our token to undefined. I don't know why this is complaining like this. Operator. Let's do this. So logout is equal to, yes, we're going to do that. And we will set the logout value like this. And here's the logout here. Auth context type. And our value, Boolean, is the expected type comes from property value. Interesting. Oh, it's because we were missing an extra little guy there. So logout is going to come. What we're going to do is we're going to just do this logout here. And then we're going to call logout from our context. We're going to call our button logout. And within our app, we're going to see this logout, but we're going to say either a logout or we're going to do a const token, use our provider, import auth provider from the context. Oh, we already had that. it's auth context. Oh, we won't be able to actually use our, we're not going to be able to, so you know what we'll do is we'll take our log out button and we'll call this other guy, this login, we're going to make another new guy and we're going to call this authentication button. Okay. And what this is going to do is it's going to take in token and it's going to also take in logout. And we're going to very simply say, if we have a token, do this. If not, we are going to do this code here. This should import our button automatically. Yes. And so we're going to call this authentication button. We're going to delete these two other guys and we're going to use this within our app like that. Removing login. Now when we're here, we are logged in. So we have this backwards. If we have a token, we want to have a log out button. And if we're not logged in, then we want to see our Google log. So now we see this log out and we can click this. We can sign out. We can log in and there we go. So really quick video. Appreciate you staying with me today. We are going to be moving things to the GitLab very soon, getting tests ran automatically and getting this actually deployed. And really looking forward to that. I think there's going to be a lot of interesting things that we can learn and just some more stuff on seeing like the entire stack and what that looks like. So I will see you on the next video.